Have you ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, the clock ticking down, and suddenly, boom, all your focus and energy kicks in at the last possible second? If you have ADHD, this might feel like your superpower and your kryptonite, all rolled into one. Let's get real. People often think procrastination is about laziness or a lack of willpower. But for those of us with ADHD, it's way deeper than that. It's about brain chemistry. Here's what's actually happening. The ADHD brain operates with lower baseline dopamine. That's the neurotransmitter that gives you motivation and satisfaction. So when a task feels boring or super far away, it's tough, almost impossible to get started. But as that deadline creeps closer and closer, your brain suddenly flips a switch. It floods with dopamine and adrenaline. That chemical surge, it's like rocket fuel. Suddenly you can hyperfocus, power through, and finish that assignment in record time. I call this the ADHD urgency loop. You procrastinate, feel the pressure, get the rush, and then, bam, get the job done. Now, in the short term, this can feel amazing. There's this rush, the satisfaction of beating the clock, and sometimes you even do your best work. But let's be honest, living in that last-minute zone comes with a price. Burnout, exhaustion, anxiety, and sometimes work that just isn't your best. It can even mess with your confidence and leave you dreading the next project. So why does this happen? It's not because you're broken. It's just how the ADHD brain is wired. But here's the good news. You don't have to stay stuck in that loop forever. It's possible to rewire your brain to find motivation earlier, not just at the finish line. How do you do that? Start small. Try breaking up big tasks into little steps and celebrate each tiny win. Use planners, reminders, and even sticky notes to track your progress. Mindfulness can help too. Notice how it feels to finish something before the panic sets in, even if it's just once in a while. Every time you complete a task ahead of time, your brain gets a little hit of satisfaction. Over time, those hits add up, and suddenly finishing early doesn't feel so impossible. If you're a student with ADHD or you know someone who is, remember, you're not alone. This isn't about laziness or character flaws. It's about understanding your brain and finding new ways to work with it, not against it. With a bit of practice and some patience, you can trade last-minute panic for calm, confident progress. So next time you catch yourself waiting for that deadline rush, try a new experiment. Start just a tiny bit earlier. Your brain might thank you.